Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering fresh ingredients. 1 pound tomatillos, 2 jalapeños, 1/2 cup cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped white onion, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 1 teaspoon salt. Peel and discard the papery husks from tomatillos, then rinse each under cool, running water to remove the sticky film. Trim stems from jalapeños and have to remove seeds if you want less heat. Mince the garlic and roughly chop the onion and cilantro so they blend evenly. Measure the lime juice and salt for consistent seasoning. Choose roasting for deeper flavor. Toss half tomatillos and jalapeños with 1 tablespoon oil and roast on a sheet at 450 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes until blistered and slightly charred. Alternatively, simmer in boiling water for 5 minutes for a brighter, milder salsa. Transfer vegetables to a blender with 1/2 cup low-sodium chicken broth or water, 1/2 cup cilantro, 1/4 cup onion, 2 cloves garlic, and 1 teaspoon salt. Blend to desired texture, then finish with 1 tablespoon lime juice and to make enchiladas, warm 12 corn tortillas until pliable, then dip each one briefly in about 1/2 cup of salsa verde to coat. Fill with shredded chicken or cheese, roll, and place seam side down in a baking dish. Pour the remaining salsa over the top until you have roughly 3 cups of sauce covering the enchiladas, then sprinkle 2 cups shredded cheese. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and bake for about 20 minutes until bubbly. Refrigerate leftover salsa up to 5 days or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.